Hello everybody. Today I wanted to do a tutorial on something that I figured out that's kind of cool. It's using curtain walls, but customizing them to make interesting windows. So to start out, I have built this simple little house. It's obviously not finished, but I just want to go from a section view that I laid down. The section view right here. So that's showing the front door. And so I'm just going to do an intricate little storefront window just to explain how to do this. I did it earlier, and really when it comes to the windows, as far as I've been able to tell, your imagination is your limit. So what you want to do is you want to start by creating a wall. If it'll do it. Okay, so you need to be in level 1 in order for the wall to open up. So you open your wall, and this is in a construction document, not residential. I haven't tested it in residential, so just keep that in mind. So if you go through your walls, down here you have curtain walls. You have a curtain wall, exterior glazing, and storefront. Storefront curtain walls are large panes of glass that have mullions and stiles in them. So for example, I'm just going to put one all across here just to emphasize this point. So if you were to look at this in realistic, you have your door, your wall, and then your glass panels. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bring it up above the door so it's not interfering with the door. And then I'm going to lengthen it out. Now, what you want to do is you want to double click on your curtain wall, and that will allow you to edit the profile. So earlier on in my Revit classes and stuff, I've been designing a building for energy, and so I actually interpreted this style into that building. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some 45-degree angles, and really what that's going to do is it's going to give kind of a technology-esque look to it, I guess. So we'll end it there, and then we can come back to here. Like I said, really the amount of what you can do on here is up to your imagination. I made a heart-shaped pane earlier, so really whatever you can think of, you can do. So I'm going to take that line back there and unjoin those elements. So we still need a line here. Again, you want to be able to create a complete loop. And so this is my circuit, essentially, where I'm building this. So I want to delete these lines as well. And I'm actually going to do a little bit more just to emphasize it a little bit better. Okay, so again though, what you want to do is this is considered one loop and this is considered another loop. So if you try to create it, it says lines cannot intersect each other. So this right here is causing a problem. So I'm going to take this line back, unjoin those elements, and then I'm going to just fill in that line. So now we have another issue. So again, this is kind of this may or may not happen. You just have to go in and trim things if need be. And it looks like we're good there. So in doing that, you have just created a unique style, a unique look for a window. So just to again reiterate this, I'm going to make another section view. We'll cancel there. We're going to make another section view right here to look at this side, this wall. So this is the wall that we just did, so we're going to do this wall. So let's create another curtain wall, and again, you can take it as far as you want, as long as you want. So I'm going to open up this section 2, and I'm going to lift this. Now, this is I've made this wall a lot taller than it needs to be. I've surpassed level 2 and taken it all the way to the roof. So this is just to, especially if you're doing a commercial building or industrial building or something where you want intricate windows. More often than not, you're not going to have a 10-foot ceiling in your lobby area where you would have this style of window. So let's just do another fun shape. Let's do maybe something like that, and then we'll do kind of a bigger one there, and then we'll do something like that. And again, you'll want to delete this back line, and you can either drag this to that point, or you can use your trim tool and just trim that piece off. Same thing here. You're going to want to trim that, and you're going to want to trim this. Except that took that away. Okay, so in this case, you're actually going to have to draw another line. But I think I want to do a little bit more to make it a little bit more pronounced. So we're just going to do some crazy little shapes here. And we'll do it to a 45 degree there. Let's see. So in this case, I'm going to delete this. I'm going to delete that. And then I need to trim this right there. So this right here would be kind of a dumb looking window, but it's to emphasize this point, that with curtain walls you can create custom windows that look pretty slick, I think. So that's my tutorial. Thanks for watching.